Hi team Y Combinator. Hope you guys are doing good. So this is the demo for SteerThrough marketplace. This is the marketplace which is built for startups, SMEs and SMBs. So suppose I'm a visitor. I'm looking for some solution for my challenges. So what I'll do, I there are three ways to do that. First, I can select either of these options. For example, whether I'm looking for marketing related solutions, retail related solutions, fintech related solutions, or I'm looking for some services, or I can simply type in the name of the product, name of the company, name of the services. Here I can figure it out. Similarly, if I'm aware of what I'm exactly looking for, then I can select the industry, sub industry, like small set of or small part of the industry, and I can select the category. So it's clearly listed whether I'm looking for a messaging solution, maybe I'm looking for data protection related solution, so services, etc., etc. And on the home page, I do have another option of getting the idea of which are the other popular categories. So I can select either of them. Going forward, I would also be having some idea of what are the trending categories in recent month or maybe recent few weeks. So I'll get those ideas again. Here it's a blog section where informational link will be open up. I can read it, which are relevant to my business requirement. I can read it out. Now suppose I select messaging solution, and that's my requirement is. Then as soon as I click on that, I'll find out the different products listed. As of now, we do have 10 companies or 10 products listed there. Based on the filters, which are quite easy to select, it will help me figure out product, service, standalone, ratings. I can also choose these products based on the pricing available, whether those products and services have a free trial, free version, or which are the target market. For example, these products are made for B2B customers or B2C customers. So I can easily figure out, and you can see against each listing, you can see whether it is a product or service. So you can figure it out. If you open up one particular product, you can find the single product detail page. I mean, that's what we call it. So let it come up. Once it is open, you will find out different sections like what is it all about, some more details, which is called description, major features. We have not filled in the data. We are yet to do that. Pricing. What are the alternatives, solutions or options against this particular Exotel automated solution? Can we compare that? Yes, we can compare that with other products also. And what are the real-time reviews, like pros, cons, and overall experience from the users? And again, suppose I'm a user, I may or may not have more details about that. So in case I do have some FAQs, I can easily figure out that, hey, how do I make an automated phone call? So I'll get the idea, then I can make a decision information based decision, and I can take a call. So I'm going back and I'll show you how I should compare, or maybe I can compare it. So I can select either any of the three possible options, and I can click on compare now. Once I do that, let me do that. Yeah, once I do that, I get the options to compare all those three selected solutions. For example, Exotel, Digimiles, and SMS Idea. So it's capturing almost all the information, beginning from the rating. We can also find the website links about who are the owner or the manufacturer of these things, what are the features. We are yet to fill in those details. Pricing is there, free trial, free version informations are also there. Now we go back here and one more. Now let it come back. So this part is done. Blog we have covered, and now the next part. So this is the admin section. Suppose we are the master from the SteerThrough admin side. So what we can do, we can add in any one. Vendor is the seller, right? So we can add any vendor, we can add any category or the product type. We can add product, service, or standalone. Standalone we call it as something or some service which is being sold by an independent person, maybe functional consultant. So we can also list them. We can also add, remove, modify the blog and blog details. We'll have all the access, for example, analytics, how the sales is going, which quarter what we should anticipate. So we are planning near future. We are planning to integrate CRMs plus data related third party application. For example, click view, we can integrate that for our easiness. We can have all these things. So this is the admin panel. I'm closing it down for you as of now. Now if I click on the vendor, suppose I'm a buyer, sorry, I'm a seller, right? Which we call vendor here. So we visit the vendor section, we click on that, and we find there are two options. First, we can register here, showcase our interest, his, my interest to him, select the product category which is available. I can also tell to steer through whether I'm interested in a product, service, and standalone listing. I can register myself. Once the registration is done, I can log in here. So here's the login screen. So what a vendor gets in here, a vendor will have all the authority to submit the listing request, wait for the approval, how each category or each product or service listing is performing, how many inquiries we've got, how many leads we have got, how many conversions are there, how they are performing, plus whether some offers are there or not. So analytics kind of thing. So he can also modify the basic profile related basic information, change password, etc., etc. That's all about vendor. I'm closing it out. Now jumping onto the user. So suppose I'm a new user, I'm a buyer, right? So either first I'll I'll create my login and then login, right? So here I can log in myself after getting registered. I can send the inquiry also, and once I log in, I'll see this. So how many reviews I have given? This is the option which I'll get, and what is happening, how many products where I've shown the interest, whether some specific kind of offer which is being given by steer through as a marketplace or not, whether some how the overall game is going on. So this is all about the user. Now either I'm a vendor or a user, either of us can send the inquiry through this contact form. I can simply fill in the basic details and I can select which company I'm representing. And because we are dealing into B2B, we can send a message, and that's how we send the message. We'll get the inquiry, we'll call you back, and that's about contact. That's about user registration. What else is left? Here is the FAQ section. In the FAQ, we have tried capturing and answering almost all the questions for seller's perspective, which we call vendor, and for buyer's perspective, which we call users. So that's how it is. And definitely these are the basic things which I could share as of now. So hope I've answered almost everything. See you soon. Thanks.